Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today our video topic is paintless dents repair in MN. In this video we are discuss about paintless dents repair. How to repair paintless dents. So new viewers, like, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and watching to the complete video. Thanks for this. Now we are going to our video topic without wasting our time. First of all, we are search about Paintless Dent Repair MN on the Google, and Google Earth shows many websites. We are open in one. For example, Paintless Dents in North Aship Paul MN. Paintless Dents Repair in North Aship Paul and MN. Understanding paintless dent repair. Paintless dent repair (PDR) is a great way to remove minor dents and dining from the body of your car. Also commonly known as a paintless dent removal, this method can be used for a wide range of damage, but only if the paint surface is intact. Often used to repair hull damage, body lines damage, minor crashes and door linings. PDR works on both aluminum and steel panels. Even if your car needs painting, the method can still be used to prep the damaged panel, therefore reducing the need for body filler and also reducing your costs. Paintless dent repair is not only quicker but also a more affordable way of repairing this type of damage. Contact Craster Bigley Auto Body in North St. Paul MN to find out more about our PDR process and technique. How does PDR work? Just as the location and size of the damage determine whether or not PDR in solution for your car, they also determine how the process works. Some dents or crashes require techniques to push out the dents from the metal panel, while other types may require the use of specially designed tabs to pull out the dents from the outside. In all cases, though the techniques are required to maintain the metal in precious location. Benefits of paintless dent repair. 80 crasher Bigley auto body in North St. Paul and MN. The benefits of PDR are well known. It is a quick and inexpensive of a PDR at a quarter fast. You will benefit from an exhaustive damage assessment process, which is essential in determining not only the number of dents and dinings to be fixed, but also their size, location, and extent, as these greatly impact the technique. Additional service as Crester Bigley Auto Body in North St. Paul MN. If your vehicle is indeed is needed of more than static work, we have a wide range of service to cater to your needs, from hull damage repair to flat service to collision repair. Additional collision repair service as a Crester Bigley Auto Body Crester Collision Center. Auto collision repair, hull damage, car repair. Auto collision repair. Crester offer high quality repairs and is an auto body repair industry leader for customer satisfaction rating. Our Crester stores take pride in offering a clean and inviting environments. Hail damage car repair. When Mother Nature strikes, Crester is here to help from hail dents to other weather-related damage. Crester offers a variety of service to help get your car back to pre-storm condition. So viewers, our videos are completed. We are joined to the next video inshallah. Thank you so much all of us to watching to the complete video. Allah Hafiz.